Hello, Ian from PokerAtlas here, and welcome to our Dealer Reports video. In this video, I'm going to go over our Dealer Downs report, our Dealer Downs for Employee report, our Dealer Downs for Tournament report, and our Hand Count Summary report. Starting from the TableCaptain main menu, I'm going to navigate to Custom Reports to find my Dealer Reports. In most systems, these reports will be found in Waitlist Reports. Click on the different reports to see the options for pulling those reports. Dealer Downs should be pulled for a specific time and date range. Downs for Employee should be pulled for an employee over a specific time and date range. Downs for Tournament should be pulled for a specific tournament on a specific day. And Hand Count Summary should also be pulled for a time and date range. Let's start with the Dealer Downs report. The report will first verify your property name and the range of dates you pulled the report for before showing you a list of all cash game downs sorted by employee. You will see employee number and name, followed by the game type and table number. It will then give you the start and end time for each down, as well as the total times for each down. If you want to see the tournament downs, click the Tournaments tab at the bottom, and you will see that they're sorted again by employee. Once again, you will see employee number and name. Game will now list the event they dealt, and then followed by what table they pushed through. Finally, you will get start and end time, as well as total minutes for each down. The next report is the Dealer Downs for Employee, which will once again verify your property name and the date range before showing you all of the cash game downs for the employee you pulled. You'll see the employee's number and name, followed by the game and tables that they dealt at. Once again, you'll see the start and end time and total minutes that they dealt. In the Tournament tab, you'll see all of their tournament downs with the employee number, name, the event they dealt, table number, start, end time, and minutes again. The next report is the Dealer Downs for Tournament report, which will verify your property name and the event the report was pulled for, before giving you all of your tournament downs sorted by dealer. Once again, you'll get the employee number and name, the table number, the start and end time, and the total minutes spent at each table. In this case, however, you will also get a total number of downs. The By Day tab will sort the downs by day for the event. As you can see, we have downs for the 7th and 8th split out, and you can see all of the different employees that dealt on that day. You'll get the start and end time, the table number, employee number and employee name, and how many minutes they spent at the table before getting a total number of downs for that day for that event. Finally, we will look at our Hand Count Summary report, which will once again verify your property name and the date range that you pulled the report for before giving you a bar chart that shows the total number of hands by game. Below the chart, you will see a table that shows the session minutes, session hours, total hands, and hands per hour for each game. Click on the Charts tab, and you will see a chart that shows how many minutes each dealer dealt and their average hands per hour over the course of the report. Below that chart, you will see a bar chart that breaks down dealer minutes by game. If you'd like to look at details by dealer, it will sort all of the details by dealer, giving you employee number and name, the game they dealt, how many minutes they spent in each game, and how many hands and their hands per hour for each game. By table will give you the same information, but we'll sort it by table. You'll see that at table 1, at 1-2 no limit hold'em, these dealers were at the table for this many minutes or hours and dealt this many hands. It will then give you a hand per hour breakdown so that you can analyze dealer performance. I have now shown you 4 reports that can be utilized to analyze dealer performance. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from PokerAtlas.